Okay, g'day and welcome back. This is a quick video on how to, once you remove carpets, you get your side strip up and then you're left with the carpet tacks, which are a real pain in the ass. And to get them up, obviously you can use professional tools in all sorts of ways, but we're using homemade tools. So I found out a few things. You can get them a little knock like this. Hear it crack a little until you see them move, and you go along and do that like so. Okay, so hang on. So then you can grab your hammer and just lift them like that. You're left with these little pockets, and that's fine. You can just cover them up with your sometimes you'll find them a little tight, so they just need a little bit more moving. First and foremost, always wear the safety glasses. Sometimes they snap off and they shoot off like a 6 kilometers an hour straight through glass. Well, they'll ricochet off windows. You can see it cracking around there already. I wouldn't go too much on that. Sometimes the vice grips are good. And I'll just come out like that. If you get too carried away, we'll take a big chunk out. I'll show you where the vice grips come in handy. Watch out for these little ones too. And it's all to do with the subfloor surface too. Sometimes they get that crack. And sometimes when you're getting close to a moist area, like a bathroom door, laundry door, or window where there's rains come through over the years, something like that, the nails will just snap off. And then I think I'll let you know in part B when a guy turns up to lay the floor whether this is actually necessary. What I'm actually doing, this is what I was told to do, is get the tacks out. Because in the quote it's a grind and skim. The grind, I assume, is to grind these down and they fill it and then they skim over. Now if that's the case, why the hell am I being told to take them out and leaving these craters behind? Soon will be revealed. Now, see, these are a bit rusty, these ones, they'll fold and bend easy. And these ones in the corner, so that one's a bit hard. Sometimes you get it moving. This is where the vice grips will come out. So you can get it, bite on, get it twisting, turn it and pull it out like that. You can pretty much do that with most of them. They don't like the easy YouTube videos that are sort of like, how would you say, preempt on how easy it looks to take it out. So that's it, pretty much. Just cruise along like that. And that's it, you just keep going like that. Less of this stuff the better. The bigger it is, oh well, you know, good vacuum and with industrial vacuum, clean it all up. And get ready for the guy to come in and he can do his bit and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. That's just a quick video on removing the tacks, my version. Do it yourself. And thanks for watching.